Hey, what's up, guys? I have something I am very excited to open today. I also have a giveaway to tell you about. We're going to be opening a Shelby 80. It's a TKL. It's YG's first board from Swagkeys. Those of you that are not familiar with YG, he is the man behind swagkeys.com and the man behind this board. There is going to be 6 of these boards given away. They're going to have slightly different configurations. They'll all be the same base board. You'll have a couple different plate options. You'll have a hot swap PCB for anybody that happens to win one of those. Stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to put in all the details on the giveaway. They're still being ironed out, so those will get put into the video soon. For now, let's take a quick look over here at the product page. While we're looking at this product page, be sure to hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future content that's coming your way. And I have a couple straight bangers lined up. I'm going to be reviewing some new prototypes from Gazoo, the new plastics for the new line of switches that he's releasing, as well as some prototypes of all of the new switches. So make sure to come back for that. I hope to have that up in the next couple of weeks. But in the meantime, let's take a quick look here at this Shelby guide. I do not believe the group buy page is up yet, but as per Swagkeys Discord, the Shelby 80 group buy will be beginning this Saturday, August 27th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll have to figure it out for your own time zones wherever you may be. YG has told me there's going to be approximately 149 of these boards available. If you check out the Swagkeys Discord on their announcement channel, you can see all of the details. I will include a link down below. Be sure to check that out if you're interested. Good luck to everyone. There isn't very many, and I hope I am able to cop, since I will not be able to keep this one, but who knows? We'll see what happens. As far as this looks like what's going to be available, and as far as we can see so far, there's going to be the case tops and bottoms. There's an alu plate, gaskets, case foam, a custom tape mod. So if you're one of those people that likes to tape your PCBs, you will have a custom Swagkeys tape mod that fits the board. There's a brass PVD artisan, the daughter board, which I believe looks to be a little different than the IO3 board. I could be wrong, but we'll take a look at that here momentarily. There's a case, there's some stabs. They appear to be Durock V2s. Then there's PCBs and alternate plates. There's also a build guide here. I'll add the link to this page so you guys can check it out. But here is the build guide. We're not going to look at that right now. We will be building this soon, and when we do, then we will need that. But for now, all we need is to get into this box. So let's cut into this tape. Let's try not to go too deep, because I do not want to damage someone else's board. I wish I was eligible to join the giveaway. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so it looks like it does include one of the cases. I'm not sure if that's standard for all of them, or if Gazoo, who has put on this giveaway, purchased this case separately. It does look like a carrying case is included, 2 tape mods, a daughter board. You get the artisan as well. You get the case foam. You get bump-ons, 2 sets of bump-ons, which is nice. Looks like you get the gaskets, 2 sets of gaskets. That's also nice. You get an anodized aluminum badge, a polished stainless steel weight, of course the top and bottom case, and an alu plate. Looks like that's what comes with it standard. It looks like the extra plates are going to be $20 each. There will be an alu, a FR4, a polycarbonate, and a palm. So let's see what all we've got in here. Let's get these artisans out of the way. All right, this back here is loaded up with stuff. Wow, what have we got here? What have we got here? Jeez, I feel like we've got one of everything. Okay, so here are the tape mods. We've got 1 sheet, 2 tape mods. It's like an off-white, kind of looks like your standard masking tape color. I don't know how well that's coming across in the camera. It does say tape mod at the bottom. It's got the Swagkeys logo. That's their new logo. Let's see, I think they changed sometime earlier this year, maybe even longer than that. I do like the new logo. Of course, I like the old logo too. But let's check out this daughter board. I should have grabbed an IO3 daughter board so we could compare. It does appear to fit the same form factor. Seems to use the same standard 4-pin JST connector cable. So this may well be replaceable with an IO3 board if you feel like doing so. If not, there are replacement boards available. So you've got bump-ons here. You've got 8 bump-ons. It does say you get 2 sets, so I'm assuming 4 will go on the board, and then you've got 4 extra, which is great. I wish more board designers and group buy runners would include extras, because I always seem to tear those things off. Here we have bottom case pour-on gaskets, 2 sets of those as well. What do we got here? We've got some screws. I'm assuming these are for attaching the tops and bottoms. There's 4 screws there, 2 different lengths. Top case side pour-on gaskets. Assuming this is twice as many as you need, because it does say you get 2 sets. These are top pour-on gaskets, and there looks to be 2 sheets of those as well. Right here we have okay, so this looks like it is like a screen protector sticker. Yeah, so you've got 1, 2, 3 protectors here to go on. I'm assuming that'll go around the badge. Oh wait, there's all kinds of little stickers in here. What do we got? Okay, so you've got the cleaners for putting these on. You've got a bag, which I'm assuming that was all in there, and I just managed to slide it out of the bag when I dumped it out. But you've got everything you need there to clean it up before you put it on, so you don't have to worry about sticking it on with a bunch of debris and gunk in the way. That's interesting. I haven't seen that in a board before. It's actually a brilliant idea. I'd like to see more of that happening in the future. Looks like here we have our polycarb plates. I really like the way that Shelby is written. It's just kind of like an elegant, simple design there. The cursive looks really nice. It's not too much, it's not too little. I'd say it's hitting that Goldilocks zone. Your palm plate, nice soft plate. I imagine this will be what I use the first time that I assemble this thing. We'll probably try out all of these different plates, because why not? We've got an FR4 plate here for those of you that are fans of FR4. While I do enjoy the sound of FR4 from time to time, personally it is not my preferred plate material. It is the black with the gold rim with the gold Swagkeys logo. Looks like a nice plate. Let's see what we've got here. It's going to be foam and PCB. We'll get back to that in a moment. Here is our alu plate, which looks like it has same flex cuts as the other boards. Not too many flex cuts. Looks like just a few here between the F row and the alphas. I imagine if you wanted to go plate or half plate, you could easily whip out your Dremel tool and hack into it. If it was my own, I would definitely purchase a extra plate or 2 to attempt to make it into a half plate. You know, you never know how that can go. Yeah, so I'm surprised there is no half plate or plateless options. Of course, I have not seen a build of this yet. I did see Alex Soto's has released a build and has called it the best TKL he's ever seen, or best TKL he's owned. You've got flex cuts here around the alphas on the PCB, which is great. I like the PCB color. It's a nice blue. I don't know how well that's coming across to the camera, but I do like that. You also have matching shims with the Swagkeys logo. I do believe this is a 1.2 meter millimeter PCB. A 1.2 meter would be obnoxiously huge. I'm fairly certain it's 1.2, especially since it comes with the shims. Looks like you have a pad of foam to go underneath of your switches should you choose to use that. Then you also have foam to go between your plate and your PCB, and it looks like the spacebar foam is adhesive, which is great because if you've done much swapping of switches on boards that use those spacebar foams like that, they do tend to get a little knocked in and out of place. The case Has one of these nice dividers here to keep all of your stuff and accessories in the top from scratching up the board itself. Let's see what we've got here. We've got a navy Shelby. Okay. I thought that Dow had told me he had ordered a white, but maybe I'm just remembering incorrectly. I do see that there is not very many whites available, so I think we may have gone with the navy instead. This does appear to be a Win keyless, so that'll be fun. I don't normally go with Win keylesses, but I do like F13s. There happens to be any board designers watching. Please make more. I just like totally wrap my hand. Please make more Win key boards with F13. I have a hard time seeing why you can't have both. Where is this plastic starting at? I don't want to shred it too bad. Let's see where it starts there inside. All right, we're just gonna rip it off. It's just Saran wrap. Okay. So this board is looking like it does not have a single blemish on it. You can see where my fingers just were. We're not going to peel this plastic off right now, but it's got that nice stainless mirrored finish that, I don't know, I love it. Anytime something's got that mirrored finish, you can sign me up for that. We've got our Win keyless, we've got our F13, we've got our nav clusters here. Let's see what this bad boy weighs. Is it going to weigh too much for this scale? Yes. Let's grab the other scale. And we're going to use that scale as a tray. So we're getting 76.01 ounces. 16, so that's what? A lot. 76, that's gonna be what, 4 pounds? My math is off and I don't have a keyboard plugged in. I'll do the math and add that below. But yeah, so this is the Shelby 80. This board is amazing. I am going to end this video for now, and then I will be adding in all of the giveaway information after this. Thanks for checking it out. See ya. Hey, what's up guys? I'm assuming this is the part of the video that you've all been waiting for, details on the giveaway. Not only is the Shelby 80 that you just witnessed being unboxed going to be given away, but there is 5 additional Shelby 80s that will be given away. Gazoo is putting on this giveaway. He's working with 6 different content creators on Twitch, so there's going to be 6 different build streams coming up real soon in the next few days. Details are still being ironed out on exactly when all that's going to happen. I'm going to put every bit of information I can as it comes in the product description. I wanted to go ahead and get this video out because the board drops in less than 48 hours. It's dropping on the 27th at 9 p.m. Good luck to everybody that's trying to cop. I'll be right there with you trying to get one for myself. I can't keep this one, obviously, so I've got to try. Good luck to everyone else. A little more luck to myself, but that's neither here nor there. The giveaway, as soon as we have all of the details, I'll release a separate video that gives you more information on the giveaway, but it's all going to be done through Gazoo and through a new site that he is finishing up now. As soon as that's all said and done, all that information will be down below. I'll put every bit of information I can below. I'll put the content creators that are involved and everything that I know now that I can share with you. And as more becomes available, I will add that. Once everything's ironed out, there will be another video that is strictly on the giveaway to try and spread information about the giveaway. I'm sure that the other content creators and the various Gazoo vendors and people that are going to be helping to put on this giveaway will be sharing that information as well. So good luck to everyone. Good luck in the giveaway. Good luck in the drop. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Thanks.